This car was originally built in 1988, and it's a Mike Laughlin chassis, and was built for independent racer Philip Duffie of Augusta, Georgia. I met Philip Duffie in 1988 after I saw him run in another car at Charlotte Motor Speedway, and he was in the process of building this car here. I went to his shop and asked him to help him. He was by himself. This is back in the day when you had independent drivers of NASCAR, and he was literally building this car by himself, and I volunteered to help him, and he said I could. We attempted to qualify for 5 races during 1988. We went to Talladega, Atlanta, Charlotte, and Darlington, and the only race we made in 1988 was the Southern 500 Darlington Motor Speedway.
The 20th row has Philip Duffie in 32 and Jimmy Horton in number 80.
The car raced in 1990 in the twin 125s, trying to qualify for the Daytona 500 in 1989. Unfortunately, it was involved in a very horrible crash, a multi-car pileup in one of the dual 125s, and the car got destroyed, and it was out the whole remainder of the 1989 season. It didn't come back till 1990.
What happened to the car after that?
Well, Philip's funding ran out. As many independents, you know, it's hard to run one of these cars by yourself without substantial funding. And he brought the car back, and it just kind of sat around. It eventually got stolen, and it was gone for almost, I think, nearly 10 years.